Conversational flows of a chatbot are predefined paths for conversations when you interact with the bot. Imagine talking to someone who has a script. Depending on what you say, the person follows predetermined responses to carry on conversation. This is particularly useful when the content of the responses must adhere to norms and regulations for specific tasks such as reservations and order tracking, performing calculations on the user's response, and much more. Let's now see how to create a flow with the Crafter.ai platform. Click on a speech bubble to open the question to which you want to assign the flow. Then click on the slider at the top right to simply activate the flow designer. Click on the button as shown in the video to enter the flow creation mode. In this example, we will create a simple flow that will send the user a link to the password reset page. In this case, we will ask the user which type of password they want to change. The response is saved in the slot 2 variable. Keep this in mind, as in the future you can use its value to send information to other systems, create custom reports, send the data to an operator, and much more. Now let's set up an interaction mode. In this case, we will add buttons to appear in the chat. Depending on the user's click, we will send a specific response. We exit the flow with the appropriate block and save our work. From this moment on, when users send a password reset request, the chatbot will respond by entering this flow.